أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. يوم يجمعكم ليوم الجمع ذلك يوم التغابن ومن يؤمن بالله ويعمل صالحا يكفر عنه سيئاته ويدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا ذلك الفوز العظيم. والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا أولئك أصحاب النار خالدين فيها وبئس المصير. ما أصاب من مصيبة إلا بإذن الله ومن يؤمن بالله يهد قلبه والله بكل شيء عليم. وأطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول فإن توليتم فإنما على رسولنا البلاغ المبين. الله لا إله إلا هو وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن من أزواجكم وأولادكم عدوا لكم فاحذروهم وإن تعفوا وتصفحوا وتغفروا فإن الله غفور رحيم. إنما أموالكم وأولادكم فتنة والله عنده أجر عظيم. فاتقوا الله ما استطعتم واسمعوا وأطيعوا وانفقوا خيرا لأنفسكم ومن يوق شح نفسه فأولئك هم المفلحون. إن تقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا يضاعفه لكم ويغفر لكم والله شكور حليم. عالم الغيب والشهادة العزيز الحكيم.
The day he will assemble you for the day of assembly, that is the day of deprivation. And whoever believes in Allah and does righteousness, he will remove from him his misdeeds, and admit him to gardens beneath which rivers flow, wherein they will abide forever. That is the great attainment. But the ones who disbelieved and denied our verses, those are the companions of the fire, abiding eternally therein, and wretched is the destination. No disaster strikes except by permission of Allah, and whoever believes in Allah, he will guide his heart, and Allah is knowing of all things. And obey Allah and obey the Messenger, but if you turn away, then upon our Messenger is only the duty of clear notification. Allah, La ilaha illa huwa, none has the right to be worshipped but He. And in Allah alone, therefore, let the believers put their trust. O you who have believed, indeed, among your wives and your children are enemies to you, so beware of them. But if you pardon and overlook and forgive, then indeed Allah is forgiving and merciful. Your wealth and your children are but a trial, and Allah has with him a great reward. So fear Allah as much as you are able and listen and obey and spend in the way of Allah, it is better for yourselves. And whoever is protected from the stinginess of his soul, it is those who will be the successful. If you loan Allah a goodly loan, He will multiply it for you and forgive you, and Allah is most appreciative and forbearing, knower of the unseen and the witnessed, the exalted in might, the wise.
وَلَقَدْ ضَرَبْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ.
And we have certainly presented to the people in this Quran from every kind of example.